Good evening, everyone. Welcome. Today, last working day of the week on Friday, September the 15th, 2023. Two regular puzzles we have here: the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. The rest, yeah, is too much for me. Time consuming, and you need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, not all puzzles I will solve. And what's the news of today? Well, I heard, or on TV I saw alien bodies with 3 fingers found in Peru. Those alien bodies are 1,000 years old, so, and they look like ET. Yeah, looks like ET. So is this real? Believe it or not, we don't know. But let me continue with the puzzles. This one will be a number Medium Sudoku 7099. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But when I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional 27 printed digits, it's a 1 star puzzle. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there in the 3rd column. Here or there, we see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. And now, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row. In this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. All right. Okay. 6 and 1. 1. Need a 7 here. 7. Okay. 3. Well, we have here 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there in this column. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the row below, so no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left with 3 should be there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So on the last column, the only place left with 6 should be there. Then. Let me see. Yeah, 6. Okay, 6. How about the one in the 3rd column, the one in the 2nd column? So in the 1st column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see our 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the row above, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 2. How about 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see how 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Well. 2. 6. 1. 3. I'm still thinking. 5. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the middle row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 5 and 8. 8 and 5. 5. 5, 6, 8. And 4. Need a 4. I'm thinking. 3. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 4 here. 6, 4. Well. Come on. 8, 9, and the 7. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 3, 1, 6, 9. Need a 9 here. How about the 5 then? Need a 5 here. No 5. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the third row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. And now 6, 8, 6 and the 4. 6, 8, 4. Interesting. 2, 2. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6 is missing, 4, 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3, okay. 9, 9. 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 8. Come on. 4, 6, 8. I'm thinking. Need an 8 here. How about the 7? 7. 7. 5. How about the 4 then? 4. Interesting. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 9. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 984. 2, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second row. For the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 7, okay. Alright. Then. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 2. Okay, then let me think. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. How about? Need an 8 here. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. He 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Can I fill this yet? Yeah. Can I fill this yet? Alright. So here, 2 numbers left here, 4 and 8. How about these 2 missing numbers? 4, 8, and 4, 8, and come on. And 4, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 8. Of course, 4 and 8. Here also 4 and 8. Here we have also 4 and 8. So we have a pair here. Here also 4 and 8. Here also 4 and 8. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Here also 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, so in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row, I believe the 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. From that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. It's not an easy one, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.